Hi everybody, Miss Barb here from Sprouting Chefs. Welcome to a series of cooking demonstration videos that will help you and your child get a little bit more comfortable in the kitchen. These videos are designed to help families who are only just starting to bring their kids into the kitchen to learn basic tools and techniques to eventually be able to cook things on their own, or to help you while you're making your own dinner or meals as a way for families to work together and make a meal together. So the first part of these videos are just going to be talking about safety, knife handling, really important, the various utensils and tools needed in your kitchen that will help you make a recipe, and for your child to understand what each of those tools does so they can help you along the way. We're also going to be covering dishwashing a little bit. I know that every family will have their own way of doing dishes, but I've kind of created my own style that is very effective and is very fast and efficient. The other thing we're going to cover is basic pantry items to have in either your dry storage area, spices, what you should have in your fridge for those older kids who might be wanting to create their own recipes. So we'll just talk about the basics that you should have in your pantry or you should have in your fridge so your kids can just pull different things out and make something on their own. So basically, we're going to focus on two main dinners that could be expanded into other things. So we're going to teach you guys about how to make a pasta meal, and that pasta dish is just going to be with tomato sauce as a base. And understanding that that tomato sauce could be expanded into a pizza sauce, into other kinds of pasta dishes, lasagnas, all those sorts of things. Also, we're going to do an Asian style meal as well. I find that Asian style meals are simple, use a lot of vegetables in them, and can be quite healthy and tasty. Now, feel free to mix and match these things, expand on them. Feel free to give me some feedback about maybe what else could work for you. But thank you for joining us, and we're going to start.